there, you have taken a powerful step forward. You have made that decision to lose weight once and for all and support your body's health. Maybe you've been using GLP-1 medications and you're seeing that scale move. Your clothes are fitting better and you're feeling hopeful about your health again and getting that weight loss off once and for all. That, my friends, is worth celebrating. But here's the truth. You don't want to keep going back to those injections forever, right? They can completely be uncomfortable. The price starts to add up, and at the end of the day, there's just one piece of the puzzle. Hi, I'm Dr. Holly Donahue. You may know me as the Root Cause Doctor. For over 2 decades, I've been helping people uncover what's really happening inside their bodies so they can stop fighting symptoms and start living with energy and confidence in a body that they love every single day. I love seeing how GLP-1 medications are opening doors for so many people, getting rid of the fat, slowing down the risk of cardiovascular disease, and giving them that first big win on your weight loss journey. My job is to help you take that momentum and turn it into lasting changes so that you don't have to keep going back to the injections forever. GLP-1s are an amazing jumpstart, and I'm so glad they're here. They make it so much easier to see your progress and give you a win to actually build on and create that discipline and momentum. Now is the perfect time to take that momentum and build a lifestyle that keeps you feeling this good for years to come. So let's take a look at some super easy but super effective ways that you can keep these amazing results going and make them even better. You get to build a metabolic foundation, focus on blood sugar balancing, build meals with quality protein, healthy fats, and those fiber-rich veggies that give you the minerals you need so your energy stays steady and your cravings are minimized. For example, instead of grabbing a bagel or what most Americans choose, breakfast foods that are full of sugar, do 2 eggs scrambled, half of avocado for your healthy fats, maybe a handful of spinach, roasted veggies for your fiber, a sprinkle of hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds for those extra minerals. This simple swap can satisfy you for hours and set the tone for the rest of the day because breakfast is such an important meal. Strengthen your muscles. Resistance training and weight training are the most powerful tools that you have to keep your metabolism do what I call humming. Muscle is metabolically active, and the more that you build, the more fat that you're naturally going to burn when you're at rest and doing your job and not able to create movement. Start small. 2 times a week is great, but 3 times is what's researched. Grab a pair of dumbbells or use your own body weight right now if that's all you can do, and focus on movements like squats, push-ups. Yeah, Dr. Donahue, I can't do push-ups. Do them against the wall. Or even rows. 10 to 15 minutes can make a huge difference over time. That building is so important. And then this is so key to support your gut and your hormones. Post weight loss, your hormones and gut microbiome need extra love because you're detoxifying the fat which is being dropped into your body, and you need to get rid of it through your bowels and keep your gut healthy. Add fermented foods, prebiotic foods, and even stress reduction techniques to keep digestion, mood, and appetite signaling smoothly. So important, manage your stress and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. High stress and poor sleep can trigger sugar cravings and weight regain. You want to prioritize your sleep hygiene, create a sleep ritual every single night that will keep you calm. Your nervous system calming rituals can keep you in fat burning mode and keep cortisol in check. Because the truth is that high cortisol is going to stop you from burning fat. And lastly, keep that vision for your future self. This is about so much more than the number on the scale. It's about stepping into who you get to be and the life that you've always wanted to live in the body that you feel you're best in. Imagine yourself there. What's something that you've always dreamed of doing but couldn't because you didn't have the strength, the endurance, the flexibility, and maybe you were carrying that extra weight around? Or was pain in your joints or your back stopping you from being the healthiest version and doing what you love to do every day? Maybe this is running a marathon, maybe it's going on a bucket list hiking trip with your family or doing a travel, or maybe it's even being able to show up for your kids more than 5 minutes without having to sit down and catch your breath because of low energy. Really picture yourself in that moment, smiling, strong, fully present in your body, and let that image be your compass that you're already taking the first steps by starting your weight loss journey. Now, just about the keeping momentum going and continuing to cast votes for the future you, the one who is light and strong and confident and free for years to come. You've already taken that first step. Now let's build those habits and your rituals to make your weight loss last and help you live a longer, healthier, more joyful life. Because my friends, that's truly why we are here on this earth and life is so short. Join me inside my 5-day sugar detox challenge, where I'm going to guide you through getting rid of sugar for good, resetting your energy, and supporting your metabolism so those results that you've been working on with your GLP-1s will continue to last without going backwards. And as you slowly come off of those injections, I want you to be successful. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so that you never miss a video on science-backed natural ways to heal, reset your metabolism, live with more energy, joy, and vitality every single day, and to live in a body that you love, that you wake up into every single moment of your life. And remember, please don't forget to check out my 5-day sugar detox challenge. The link is in the description below, and I can't wait to see you inside. Have an amazing day. Keep those habits and momentum going. I am sending you so much love.